me.
Everyone who counts loves Ned Flanders.
Oh, do.
I'm the whole villagerino. I'm so diddly excited to be here today at the Flanders Fun Family Cabaret with all you lovely sodomites. Sing with me. I'm on the top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. Diddly is the love that ever since Mark hit the ground, God took me on the top of the world. You know, folks, as long as I've got my Bible and my God by my side, nothing can break me down diddly hour.
You suck, diddly Flanders.
Dad, did you kill Van Landers today? I said I don't want any damn vegetables.
Calm down, diddly. Get their best, illy dilly. Gotta be nice, us diddly.
Ah, hell, diddly ding dong crap! Can't you morons do anything right?
Dad, we meant well.
Well, my family and I can't live in good intentions, Marge.
Hey, back off, man.
Oh, okay, dude. I wouldn't want you to have a cow, man.
Mr. Flanders with...
Do I hear the sound of butting in? It's gotta be little Lisa Simpson, Springfield's answer to a question no one asked. And as for you, I don't know you, but I'm sure you're a jerk. Man, no Bible stories for you tonight. My second sense is tingling.
I am not champion, I am the legend. So far ahead, these bums is lagging. See me in the news, these bums is gagging. I'm starting to feel like a diddly dragon. Like a diddly dragon. I'm starting to feel like a diddly dragon. Look at my show footage, how this gonna be standing. I'm gonna like getting back to my hand there. Yes, that it has been. Hanging up, flat screen. Plasma. Hey, Neddy, Flanders. I got the punch, it ain't got medicine. I got bars. I'm a bad bitch, I'm a and I'll kick Homer, punch, you're stronger, black, you run the back, bitch, I'm at the front, you need a job, this ain't kinda, Ned Flanders, who you ain't fucking with, you wanna brag and I'll beat you in the padlock, I ain't a movie, camera block, you out of work, I know it's tough, but enough is diddly enough, like a diddly dragon, like a diddly dragon, go like a diddly dragon, like a diddly dragon, like a diddly dragon. Like a diddly dragon, go like a diddly dragon, go like a diddly dragon, like a diddly dragon, like a diddly. Is this the thanks that I get for putting your bitches on? It's just my fault that all of my wives are gone. Just specifically called you little hoe. Now I gotta wrap more coffin with a bow. I hear them mumbling, I hear them cackling, I got scared, shook, panicking. Overseas, church, Vatican, you understand? Still, mannequin, you wanna see part Neddy? Overnight, I'm the motherfucking boss, operate, and when I pull up, vroom, motorbike, feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. I see induction as Levi's, haters, I got a play. Now do you see, boy? These bitches calling me Reverend Lovejoy. These bitches calling me Reverend Lovejoy. Like a diddly dragon, go like a diddly dragon, go like a diddly dragon, like a diddly dragon. Sing it, motherfuckers. Like a diddly dragon, like a diddly dragon, go like a diddly dragon, like a diddly dragon, like a diddly dragon.
And Landers is a boring old biddy.
Shut